Hello, I'm Colin Lowther. Welcome to today's Spotlight on Global Life, where we explore issues of faith and culture. Today, we share part of the Spotlight programme Sounds of Joy. Adam Navis and Liz Wade look at your favourite sounds.
Spotlight asked our listeners what their favorite sounds were. Most of them also said that some kind of laughter was their favorite sound. Javier said that his favorite sound was the cry of a newborn baby. Hector wrote that his favorite sound was the smile or laugh of a child. Todd agreed. His favorite sound was laughter too. And Maria said that her favorite sound was when her children were running to give her a hug and a kiss.
Dr. Jardin believes there is a reason that laughter is our favorite sound. He believes it is important for our well-being. When people experience joy, they feel better. This makes their lives better. In a statement for the press about the Cadbury's advertisement, Jardin says,
"Experiencing simple times of joy and taking the time to enjoy the good times in life are very important. Laughter is both a cause and effect of joy. People laugh a lot more on the weekends compared to weekdays. Laughter is also good for relationships, both building new ones and keeping old ones."
What is your favourite sound? What sounds make you feel joy? To hear the full programme, visit our website at www.radioenglish.net.